What's good, BitRushers? My name's Kyler, and this is BitRush Crypto. Today's video is going to be about Synthetix, ticker SNX, which is a leading DeFi protocol which allows users to create synthetic assets or synths based on the price of an actual real-life asset or a cryptocurrency on another chain. So if you guys are interested in that, please do stick around. If you're new around here, go ahead and sub to the channel or sign up for the 99-cent members only. There is links for all of my investment projects and social media in the description of the video below. Make sure you smash the thumbs up on this video, and let's get into the content. Alright guys, coming over to the website, it is synthetix.io, synthetix.io. And you can see here it says the Derivatives Liquidity Protocol. Synthetix is the backbone for the derivatives trading in DeFi, allowing anyone, anywhere to gain on-chain exposure to a vast range of assets. And if you guys click here, you can learn a little bit more, read the white paper or whatever. I'm going to sum it up to you. You guys know me. I'm not like super high level technical on a lot of these things. If you guys need, do dig in and do a little bit more research for yourself. However, I want to just give you kind of the basics from a high level. Essentially what it is you lock up and over collateralize any sort of asset with another cryptocurrency, and then you can create a synthetic asset that's pegged to the price of the actual real world asset. And because it's so over collateralized, it does allow for the room of the price to go up and down. And then that also allows for an inverse position to be created, where if the price goes up, the inverse position goes down, and you guys can trade the opposites of those assets. And to just like make it simpler for the way you would think about something like this, it's kind of like an ETF in the real world, where like you can buy basically a stock or an ETF of, say, like oil or some kind of other asset like gold, and you're not actually buying the gold or the oil, but those ETFs maintain a value linked to the value of those assets. So same thing, but on cryptocurrency, allowing you to put any asset onto the blockchain and basically have a synthetic price-based token. Total locked value right here, you guys can see, is we are definitely in the billions now. This thing is growing good. We have several different things you can build here and harness the power of their liquidity if you want. You can earn and stake your assets, or even create your own synthetic assets and things of that nature. You can trade using these, D-Hedge and Quenta. Different exchanges and things like that for trading. You have the liquidity, Curve, and Uniswap, and for staking you have Xsynth and Syntool. So a bunch of different stuff available from these guys. Coming down to the partners, we see Framework, Parify, Three Arrows Capital, XBTO, DTC Capital, Hashed, Definance Capital, IOSG Ventures, and then right here Spartan. So I just covered Spartan Protocol the other day. They're looking to get into Synthetix, and most likely they're going to be using SNX for that. We saw Rune, which has recently grown quite a bit, doing something similar, and so that's one of the reasons why I'm taking a look at this coin here. And if you guys need any more information on this, go ahead and check it out. You can go to the staking platform and take a look at that. Build, governance, community, blog, research, all that. So please do dig in. Coming over here to CoinGecko, just taking a look at the price. We're actually up quite a bit today, 11.3%, going up 21.35, so $21.35 as of today's recording, and ranked in total market cap, guys, number 48. So we're in the top 50 already, and this is one that I think is going to continue to grow. Like I said, as other projects like Sparta continue to take off and grow, we're going to need more liquidity and more, the ability to lock these liquidity for these synth assets. And so for that reason, I am bullish on SNX. As always, do your own research, do your own due diligence, never invest more money than you can personally afford to lose. And this is not financial advice. It's just me kind of going over some things that I'm looking at here myself. Coming to the max, we did start out super low. Back in 2019, we had an early growth here at the beginning of 2020, and then we kind of dipped off with the, the whole market crashing kind of thing here, correction, whatever you want to call it. all the assets kind of dipped down here, and then now we had our new explosive growth just recently starting in December and moving up for the new year. We did have a recent high up here around $27 and then a correction again with the rest of the market, and we're starting to move back up as we see that market pump. And so even though we're at about $20, $21 here, we do definitely still have room even from the previous highs here of $27. So some room to grow, and I think this thing is going to continue to be a larger, bigger player in the DeFi space. As I said, there's other products that are starting to tap into their liquidity, and those products are starting to get big and have their total value locked, continue to increase, which will increase the total value locked of the SNX protocol. And if we just come over to the DeFi markets here on CoinGecko, we can take a look at all the different protocols that are in the DeFi space. And just taking a look at these, we see like the top ones: Uniswap, Chainlink, Terra, CETH, and PancakeSwap, Aave, coming down Thorchain, which is Rune, and then right below them at number 10 here, guys, is Synthetix. So again, looking to probably pick a little bit of this up a little bit cheaper than it is here. I'm hoping that it does another little dip back down below 18 to like $16, $17 range. But definitely looking to pick some of this up and hodl long term, as I do think it will continue to be a player in the DeFi space and continue to grow in market cap and total locked value. That's basically everything for today's overview video. I do encourage you guys to dig in deeper if you want to learn a little bit more and use SNX and Synthetix protocol. However, I hope you did enjoy the video. If so, smash the thumbs up, share it with a friend or family member you think may also enjoy this content. As always, sub to the channel. Make sure you click that bell button to be notified on all future content. If you want to get early access, it's only 99 cents for the members only. Smash that thumbs up. Happy crypto, and let's get that coin.